Racing just is started. We have Larmagnac. Break quickly at the start. Bibora moving a party outside. Take me. Tonight, King Manjo comes next, while Traditional Dream is the early trailer by about 8 lengths. Of the leader, we have La Armagnac by about a length and a half. Bibora in second. Take me tonight in third. King Manjo comes next and Traditional Dream. And going along for the first turn, we have La Armagnac by our length and a half. Bibora is still in second. Take Me Tonight is done in third. King Manjo and Traditional Dream. Down the back stretch they travel. We have La Armagnac by about 2 lengths. Bibora still in second. Coming closer now in third is Take Me Tonight. King Manjo still in fourth, while Traditional Dream is still racing in less than the fourth turn. We have La Armagnac by about 3 lengths. Bibora in second, and here comes Take Me Tonight now coming closer in third. Then comes King Manjo. Next on line is Traditional Dream, and Diana went entering the home stretch. La Armagnac by only 2 lengths. Then here comes Take Me Tonight now moving up for the outside. King Manjo like twice moving up. Last 100 meters, the lead now belongs to Take Me Tonight. La Armagnac drops back in second, and finally it's Take Me Tonight. La Armagnac, King Manjo. Close between Traditional Dream and Bibora.
This is